In this video I want to show you how to identify your environment and how to check in which direction we want to trade. So yeah, what do we see over here? This is the daily time frame USD CAD. I zoomed out to see in what kind of channels, in what kind of waves the market is moving. So first of all, let us draw some trend lines here where price is respecting the most, something like this. And then we got the same thing, same story to the top. So here we have a nice channel. Try to connect the wicks to see where price is bouncing. So this is a channel, you see price is moving in this channel, bouncing around, up and down and up and down, and then it starts breaking this channel. See this? It's breaking out of this channel, and now it's forming kind of a new channel. See this? Yeah, let's connect the lows. Let's see what happened here. Well, so now we have a new channel. You see this? It's bouncing downwards, upwards, double top, coming down, coming up again, get rejected, falls again, new low, now coming back, testing this significant horizontal level. And now we have to see what's going on. So what are we waiting for? Well, market can do a few things. Let me show you. How can I draw on these? Drawing mode. Brush. Okay, cool. Alright, now we have two options. The market can go up or down. So maybe we will see a breakout, come back, and then do something like this. Or we can see prices breaking this resistance over here, breaking through, coming back, going down to this side. Okay, so these are the two scenarios we are waiting for, we are watching. Okay, now let me clean it up. Can I select this one? Okay, so now let's check the 4-hour chart. What do we see over here? What is happening in price action? Well, price is consolidating. We have this resistance here, price trying to go higher, but got rejected every time. So for me, I want to ride the wave down because I see there is a lot of potential. You see this, guys? So we have to try to get in around this area here. This is where we want to get into a sell with a smooth stop loss. Like, let's say we trade the breakout. Okay, let's say we try to catch the breakout, put our stop above the structure, okay, somewhere around here, and then try to ride this thing down. Maybe this could be our first target, somewhere around in this area, the 2.5 to 1 risk reward ratio. And then we can let partial profits run to this low. What would be around a 5 to 1 risk reward ratio. These are options that we got. And of course, if the market tries to go to the other side, maybe it wants to break this old highs and move up. It's possible. You never know. You just have to be prepared. Maybe the market can shoot up and try to get to this level or this level. You know, we have some potential here as well to the upside. So what we need to do is we need to wait for price action, and then we have to react and see where we can get in. We could wait for a strong momentum candle, like a fat engulfing candle that moves to the upside or to the downside, and then we can wait for the comeback to get in, or we can get in at the breakout, whatever, how you like it. You have to set your own rules to trade this, okay? But it's very important to be patient, like to wait for the candle to close. Like we need a clear sign that this one is going down, and if we got the confirmation, then we're about to get in. And then you can try to write this thing down. I mean, the market is moving in waves, so the market is moving in waves, so it will move down, then it will come back up. You can sell again. It's going down, coming back up. You can sell again. It's going down, coming back up. You can sell again. You can scale in. You can pyramid this position and get in multiple times. Like you start here with like 1 or 2% risk, and then you keep buying, keep selling this thing as it's going down. Of course, you can bank profits. You can bank profits. You can scale in again. You can bank profits, scale in again. This is this is uh, this is nice when you know how to ride the waves. It's not always perfect, but if you're experienced and if you do this for a few months, few years, especially on the bigger time frames, these breaks and retests, and yeah, there's a lot of potential in it, in these moves, as well as kind of head and shoulders patterns, yeah, or double tops. If you see a double top forming, like markets from here going down, coming back, got rejected, you know the rules. Then you can trade the reversal. Trade the reversal, or you can wait until it break this line, getting in at the breakout, or waiting for the retest of that level, getting in. Then always stops above the structure, and then we're good. And one thing you can do as well, if the trade is already like halfway to your target or something like that, then you can smaller your risk and pull your stop loss to break even or in profit or whatever you like. This is you have to make this decision. All right. What I like to do is if I catch a good trend, then try to trail it with the market structure. So when it's coming, if the market is coming down like this, and you see it's forming a new low, lower low after a lower high, then you set your stop, then you set your stop above this structure. Okay, then you set it here. Then the market's moving down, moving down. Market is moving down, coming back up, create a new low. All right, then we write it on this structure, and this way it is possible to catch really big trends. Like you don't know how much they can bring you, but sometimes the market is going crazy. You know that, you've seen these moves, and yeah, it can go wild. Wild, yeah. Like it can shoot through this one as well, and then you make maybe a risk reward ratio of 7 or 10 to 1. Yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, what I want to say is um so first of all, you go in the daily time frame. You see, you check the structure. You see how is price moving and what kind of waves is the price moving. Okay, you check it from the daily. See. Okay, now it's loading. Give me a second. Alright, cool. You see these waves? Yeah, just ride these waves, baby. Yeah, up and down, up and down. Break, alright, cool. Again, bam, bam, bam. Ride these waves, guys. See the bigger picture. Check the bigger time frame. See the bigger picture, and then draw your channels. See how price is waving, and then try to get in and around these areas where price is ranging. Even if it's breaking the level, you can trade in both directions. The only thing you have to do is wait for the move. All right, you can place pending orders around that move. So when you see this level is clearly this level is clearly breaking, then you can place orders around that area, or you can set alerts. You can set an alert so you get notified when USD CAD is going down, for example. Okay, when USD CAD is going down, I get a notification on my TradingView app on my phone. Yeah, it shows me a pop-up. So when USD CAD is reaching this level, I get a notification. Okay, I get a notification, then I know, all right, I'm in this trade. Like, I set a pending order over here, wait for market to break it, and then I try to write this baby down, make some money off of it. I mean, getting like 3 to 1 or 4 to 1 on these moves is easy, guys. You just have to wait for it to play out, guys. Don't be greedy. Relax yourself, wait for the moves, check your charts from time to time during the day, see what's happened, and then control your risk and ride these trends, guys. This is what we do, and this is how we make money. Yeah, thank you for your time. That's it, guys. Have a great day. Peace.